Okay, hi everybody. So let me go ahead and share this. This is going to be the makeup recording for workshop number 3. Thank you all for hanging in there through my laryngitis. I promise you it wouldn't have been pretty if I had tried to go through this workshop last week. So let me skip through these slides. As always, if you haven't finished that pre-course survey, please go ahead and do that. One thing that I did want to mention is that even though we have skipped this 3rd workshop and are just doing it as the recording, each of these workshops are designed to be standalone, so you don't need to have watched them in order necessarily. Okay, here we go. So tonight's workshop is about analyzing farm enterprises. I do want to mention that this workshop series is made possible through funding from American Farmland Trust program, Farmland for a New Generation, as well as Cornell University's New York Dairy and Livestock Risk Management Education Project. So my name is Katelyn Walley-Stoll, and I'm your primary instructor for this series. Please feel free to contact me at any point with this information that's here. And if you find that you need some additional support for your farm specifically, especially since this series is meant to be an introduction, please let me know and I can refer you to the right person in your region. Even if you're not in our area, we'll make sure you get in contact with the right person. For this workshop, after participating in analyzing farm enterprises, you'll be able to identify the many different options that are available for you as far as farm enterprises, know the advantages and different disadvantages of farm diversification, especially when considering risk management. Be able to select and analyze different farm enterprises, analyze the market for different farm production paths, be familiar with enterprise budgets, their layout, and how they can help you with decision making. Because this is a recorded workshop, we're not going to have time for question and answer, but please, please, please feel free to email me, text, or call if you have questions pertaining to this content. And I am going to, when I send the email out with this recording, include the webinar post-course survey. Please complete it, and we will use it to design future workshops from that feedback. One thing I do want to add that just got decided today, so it's not in the slides, is that on Thursday, June 3rd, from 7 to 8 p.m., we're going to be hosting a bonus workshop. In this workshop, we're going to cover all the topics, or most of the topics that we didn't have time to in these 4 workshop series. And all of those topics come from the pre-course survey and our post-workshop surveys. So if there's something that you wish we covered that we just didn't have time to, this is your chance. Make sure you're filling it out, and we will be sure to share that out there.